In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for a Google Drive folder. This simple process will allow you to share your folders easily. Let's go through it step by step, ensuring clarity at every turn so you can follow along effortlessly. To begin, navigate to your Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, locate the folder or file that you want to share via a QR code. When you found it, click on the three vertical dots next to the file name. This action will open up a drop-down menu. Now hover over the option that says Share. This will present you with a few more options. Next, click on Copy Link to grab the link to your folder or file. This step is crucial because this link is what we'll be using to generate your QR code. With your link copied to the clipboard, the next step is to open a web browser and search for a QR code generator. There are many free QR code generators available, so you can use any that you prefer. For this example, I'll guide you to a generic option. After your search, click on a link that typically says QR code generator, create your free QR codes. This should take you to a page where you can easily create a QR code. Once you're on the QR code generator page, you'll see an input field where you can paste the link you copied earlier, paste it there, and then look for a button or option to generate the QR code. Once the QR code is generated, you'll have the option to download it. Click on Download to save the QR code to your device. Now that you have your QR code, let's ensure that the link in your Google Drive is accessible for sharing. Navigate back to your Google Drive homepage, return to the file or folder you selected initially and highlight it. Access the share settings once more by clicking on Share in the drop-down menu. You'll see the current sharing settings for your file. To make sure the QR code works for anyone who might scan it, click on the setting labeled Restricted. A drop-down will appear here, select anyone with the link. This action makes it so anyone who scans your QR code will have access to the folder or file. Finally, click Done to save these settings, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a QR code for a Google Drive folder that can be shared easily with anyone. Whether you're sharing a project folder, a set of photos, or any other type of file, this QR code makes accessing your shared content straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.